First, go into your settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone and find your build number. Now, tap that build number 7 times. Don't stop until it says you are now a developer. Now go back to your main menu. Tap Settings, then Developer Options. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the Drawing section. Alright? See these 3: Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, they are set to 1 times. Alright? That's why your phone feels floaty and slow. What you do is change all 3 of these to 0.5 times. Alright? If you want it to feel like lightning fast, turn them off entirely. If you want them to feel lightning fast, turn them off entirely. See that? No more waiting for Windows to slide open. It's instant. Now, let's talk about RAM. If you have an older phone or a budget device, scroll down to the Apps section. You will see Don't Keep Activities. If you turn this on, your phone kills every app the second you leave it. It's the ultimate speed boost, but be warned, it means apps will reset from scratch every time you open them. Alright? Next, look at background process limit. If your phone is constantly lagging, change this from standard to at most 2 processes. Alright? What this does is it stops hidden apps from eating your CPU power in the background while you are trying to play a game or you are trying to browse. Alright? Here is the one tip most tech guru miss. Find a setting called Suspend Execution for Cache Apps. Toggle this to enabled. That is, you have to enable it. Instead of just killing your background apps, what this does is it freezes them. It's like putting them in a deep sleep. So they use 0 processing power but open instantly when you need them. Alright? This is the single best way to save battery while keeping your speed at 100%. Okay, if your phone feels like a brand new device now, drop a comment with your phone model and let me know how much faster it is. Alright,